Hi, this is Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube video series. If you remember a few months back, well, it's been about 2 years now, I bought one of these Hart Rotary tools, and with it comes a box of accessories. So for the time being, I'm just going to put this aside, just down right here. Last weekend I bought this set at Walmart, $17.88, and some of these accessories looked a little different. So what we're going to do in this video is open this up, and see if they are the exact same pieces that match in each case, and if they're trying to pull one over on us. Let me grab a knife here. Just 1 second. Here we go. Got a knife here, so you know I'm opening this fresh. This has already been opened and looked at, but this one still has the, somewhere, there we go, the zip tie on it. So we're just going to go ahead and cut that off. Okay, we got that little tab broken off. Going to throw that straight in the garbage. Now, of course, I cannot compare things that aren't alike. I'm just going to look at things that are the same. So I'm just going to take this and just drop it aside. Take this and just drop it aside. I'm going to go ahead and dump this one out so I can get to it a little bit easier. Okay, first thing I'm going to look at is, let's see here, let's look at this wrench. Get rid of this plastic cover right here. I'm going to push that aside to right there. Let's look at this wrench. Here we have this one that's in the big kit, and the one that comes in the small kit. And they are definitely different. The hole stamped in a different spot. The screwdriver tip right here is different. Does the wrench match up? Looks like it's close enough to the same size, same thickness, but so far, first thing we look at, they're different. Definitely different. We'll put that one back right there, put this one back. Okay, let's look at let's take this right here, get rid of that cover. Let's look at this sanding drum mandrel that's in this kit. If I can get it out, there we go. Now this is the one, the same size. The length is different in the drum. The screw is different. The bottom is definitely different. So, put that back down. Sanding drum attachment is different. Let's go ahead and look at the large sanding sleeve. Just pulling that right here. I don't know what grit I'm getting. Okay, let me get a different one. Put this back. See what grit this is. Might match up a little bit better. Still pretty rough. What is this one? Okay, let's compare this one to this one. Slightly different color. The height is the same. The seam is different. The seam on this one is much tighter than the seam on this one. The interior paper is different color. So we can definitely say that the sanding drums are different. I mean, the sanding sleeves are different. What else can we look at real quick? Here's the smaller sanding drum. Okay. Definitely different at the bottom. Definitely different screws. Put that back. Put that back. Let's see here. Wire bristle and wire bristle. Those are definitely different. Even different colors still. Put that back. Put that back. Nylon brush. Small kit doesn't have a nylon brush, so we won't look at that. Okay, let's look at this. The bullet tip sharpening stone. Bullet tip sharpening stone. Different size. Let me move this up a little bit. Different size, different color. So we're going to go ahead and call that one different. Okay, how about these? Put that in there. Cut-off disc. Cut-off disc. Different stamping pattern on both sides. And slightly different thicknesses. What else have we got here? How about one of these sanding pads? Take one of these sanding pads and one of these sanding pads. Different color. Same thickness. This one seems to be a little bit softer than this one. So that's definitely different. How about the screw tip? And here we go. Here's the screw tip out of this one. Those are definitely different. So, I'm going to definitely say that I don't know where Hart gets their accessory bits, but depending on which set you get, it's going to be different quality. Which that is a big negative for me with Hart tools. Why can they not be consistent in their accessory packages? Not just the size and how many, but consistency of the overall piece itself. The manufacturing process. Why do they have to be different? That just proves to me they're buying their bits from different sources. If you agree with me, or if you disagree with me, leave a comment in the section below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about this little quick comparison. My name is Carl. I appreciate if you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching.